What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and this is Araceli Chan DIY. Now in my channel you're going to find tons of DIY inspiration, whether it's Dollar Tree DIYs, hacks, home decor. It's always going to be on a budget. If you're into that, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of this LOKLiK iEngrave laser engraver, which is a super cool machine. And then I'm also going to be sharing some really cool projects that you can make with it. You know what's funny is that considering the nature of my work, I don't consider myself super tech savvy. So I always get pretty intimidated when I try out new machines like this, especially when installing the software. But what I like about this machine is that you can use it with the software that you install on your computer, whether it's a Mac or Windows, but you can also do it from your phone with the LOKLiK design app, which I feel like it's a lot easier, more beginner friendly. But I also am trying to mess around with like the installed software just so that I know how to do it both ways. But I actually really like this one just because it's like right at the tip of my fingers. Yeah, right? To get started, I'm gonna turn on the power. I'm gonna unlock it and then I'm gonna do the emergency stop. Okay, so I got my dad this hat for Father's Day and he works out in the sun. My dad is a laborer. He works in the orchards. And he also likes to garden a lot. So I got him this really cool hat. I don't really like this little design or logo or whatever it's called. So I'm actually going to design one for him. I am going to be using a little bit of leather, which is one of the many materials that you can use on this machine. I'm going to connect to the iEngrave machine. Now I have to do that through Wi-Fi. So going on Wi-Fi, I'm going to find the machine here. So that's connected, super easy. Once you get it connected, it's like you have to use their Wi-Fi network, and this little antenna right here is for the Wi-Fi. So there's a lot of different designs that you can choose from here, or you can go to the canvas on this one. Just kind of set right there. I'm going to upload from library, and I'm going to upload my design. And then in this little arrow, since it's like already squared, you can literally just pull it, and it's going to be the same size all the way around. So we're going to do 2.5. Open my cover here, and then I'm going to go to make. I think that's fine. Then we're going to go to next. So I'm going to go here, and then we're going to do engrave, and then in the custom material, we're going to choose leather right there. Recommended power is 40%, speed is 8,000. So now I'm going to go to next, and then right here when you hit origin, for safety purposes, it does make you close the lid when you're doing this, okay? So you go ahead and close the lid, then you're gonna hit next. It's gonna send the laser back to its origin, which I have it up on the top left corner. And then when I go to frame, okay, so I did a little test run and I noticed that if it doesn't go onto the wood or onto the material that you're engraving, it's gonna go on the metal at the bottom. So I can actually set this on top of something else so it doesn't go all the way through. Now right here, I'm going to lift the laser up and I'm going to tighten it just so I can get my leather in place. Okay, so when I push this down, there's going to be a little foot at the bottom, right? And that's where it's going to stop once it hits my material. So once it does that, I'm going to tighten it and then I'm going to lift it back up. And again, I'm going to try to frame it with the door open, but it's not going to let me. So let's go ahead and close this. And then I'm just going to adjust it here by clicking on the XY axis, whether it's going left or right. I'm going to frame it again. Okay, so I think it needs to go down a little bit more to make sure that it gets on all the leather. Okay, now that I have that all aligned, safety first. So I got some green glasses here, and then of course the cover that's going to protect my eyes. My door open also, the vent is going out to the back. I'm going to add it to task, and then I'm just going to put R on here. And let's see. Once it's up, then you just hit that little play button and it's going to start engraving. Oh, I'm excited for it. I don't want to look straight at it. All I see is like green lights in here. And then I'm also trying to save up to get a mini split in this garage because it is hot. I don't have my swamp cooler going right now because it gets kind of humid and muggy in here, but this is one of the reasons I take sponsored posts, you guys, because a DIY channel is not cheap. Okay, so this is all done. I'm just take my glasses off now. Oh, there, now I'm back to normal. Oh, that looks good. So on top of me being crazy busy with life in general, sometimes I procrastinate a little bit when I feel intimidated by new tools or equipment. So it did take me a little bit longer to get all of this good stuff out of the box. But honestly, once everything was out, it was actually pretty quick and simple to put everything together. There's a couple QR codes that you can use to bring up step-by-step instructions on building it, as well as installing the Lightburn software. So installing the software felt a little bit more complicated, and you do have to get a subscription after the free trial. But again, you can also use the LOKLiK design app both on mobile and desktop for free, or you can upgrade it. With that said, you can also connect through USB or Wi-Fi. My favorite and most important feature about the LOKLiK iEngrave is its full protection. It's a class 1 certified laser and it's fully enclosed. Plus it comes with safety glasses because again, it's a laser. It has a multi-alert system for movement, fire, improper temperature, etc. And you literally have to plug it in, turn it on, turn the key, and turn the emergency stop button to get it started, and it has built-in sensors to send alerts, so all the safety, which we love. Next, of course, is price point, because your girl is always on a budget, and it's ranging between $390 and $560. It's going to be a great option for beginners who want to get their first laser engraver. As far as functionality goes, it has a working speed of up to 500 millimeters per second, and it has a powerful 10-watt laser module which can boost engraving and cutting speed by up to 40%. All that speed and barely any noise because it's actually pretty quiet. And it is compatible with over 300 materials including wood, leather, ceramic, acrylic, aluminum, etc., and so much more. And you can make anything from simple designs to personal photo engraving, which also makes it pretty ideal for a startup small business. You guys have to check it out. I got my little vent thing. This obviously looks like it's gonna go into like a dryer vent. I don't have one, so for now I'm just gonna open my garage door and stick this out. All right, we're gonna try it on some ceramic now. What? Like, oh, don't look at it. Don't look at the laser. You guys are leaving?
Yeah.
The camera. Oh. Love you.
They would always, I can tell where she was looking at. They would always tell me.
Stop looking at it. Okay.
On my wells with my eyes open.
Love you.
Without my mask on.
So my older one just got back from his freshman year of college. My second one just graduated high school. Damien, Johnny, Milani, she just completed first grade and she fractured her ankle, so that's been a trip. And then Kai he's 3, he's doing potty training and some major sleep regression, so y'all don't even know. Emotions on high and stress at a all-time level, but we're still here. I may have to take that back. I did get out of the app. Oh no. Okay, well, it looks great, okay? All right, so that's how it looks, but I think at the end there, it did move a little bit, so it's kind of off of alignment, but that's okay. And I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but that's pretty cool. Like, you can feel the texture on it. That looks great. I like that. Alright, so here's another Canva design that I did, and this is a logo for a soccer team that my brother likes. I think I'm going to create that design on this little piece of MDF board. The LOKLiK Engraver is going to be on pre-sale until July 7th. So for any pre-sale details and pricing info, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy this one also. And just remember, anytime I have like a sponsored post, it really helps my channel out so that I can continue creating fun stuff for you guys. So with that said, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up, leave me any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!